Let's dive deeper into the structure of your fence setup. We'll take a look at how all the features work together to assemble your completed library. Let's start by defining some terms. First, product. A product is an individual component in your library. In a fence context, your products will be the building blocks that make up your bundles and will be items such as boards, wire, pickets, line posts, nails, concrete bags, etc. Products have several different properties, but there are two that are most important. I'm going to click into an example product we have here, our Western Red Cedar dog ear board here in my example library. And I'll point out a couple of things to you. One is going to be the name, right? You'll have the ability to define a name for every product in your library. The second piece is going to be pricing. You'll see here at the bottom, you have the ability to input pricing information as well, along with other things. We'll get more into the weeds later on all the ins and outs of configuring products, but those are kind of the main things to keep in your mind for right now. So we've talked about products. Let's talk about bundles. A bundle is going to be a collection of products that are packaged together. These are the things that you sell, right? So you will set up bundles for your various fence options, gates, as well as corner and end posts. Let's look at an example. I'm going to go in here to my wood bundles category. We'll click over to my bundle tab. And then I'm going to click here on my 4-foot cedar bundle that I have set up here. And you'll see that bundles are going to have a few important properties of their own. First, they're going to have a name, of course, and then they're also going to have visual information. The visual type is basically going to be how you draw it, right? In the case of a fence bundle, that would obviously be as a line. The third main component of your bundle is going to be the components, the line items that make up that bundle. When we scroll down here, right, we can see all of the different materials that comprise this 4-foot cedar bundle up at the top. Now, within these bundles, there are a few different kinds of components that we can have, right? One is going to be individual products, which we've talked about a little earlier in this video. Another type of component that I can add as a line item to my bundle is what we call a product group. A product group is going to be a collection of related products that can be added to a bundle as a single line item. When you draw with a bundle that contains one or more product groups, you'll be prompted in the app to choose one product option from each group. This allows you to customize the bundle for each job by selecting the most suitable option on each specific project. And we'll take a look at an example. I'm going to click into the 1x4 WRC boards here. This is actually what we call, again, a product group. And you'll see that when I click into it, it's actually made up of 3 different options, right? These 3 options are all individual products that are different board options that are available to me based on what I need for my individual product. So for each job, I can pick between, in this case, my dog ear, flat, and Gothic. We'll talk about the nuts and bolts of configuring your bundles and your different options for setting up next, but wanted to start here with introducing those 3 core components: products, product bundles, and product groups.